Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to do in-service software upgrade or ISSU on Cisco MDS SAN switches using the new Cisco Nexus Dashboard Fabric Controller for SAN. This is the NDFC SAN controller overview page. To begin the ISSU, navigate to Manage and Fabric Software. We first need to upload the images that we want to use for the ISSU. Click on Upload Image. This will take you to the Images tab. Here, click on Actions and on Upload. Click on Browse. We are going to upgrade a MDS 9148T switch which is running 842C to 941A. Click on Verify. Click on OK. Next, we need to upload the system image. Again, click on Actions and Upload the system image. Click on Verify. Now we have both the kickstart and system images for 9148T switch for release 941A. Next, we need to create an image policy. For that, click on the Image Policies tab. Here, click on Actions and Create. Enter a suitable policy name. Select the platform as MDS from the drop-down. The release should be 941A. It will be automatically populated depending on the images that you have copied. Also enter an optional policy description. Save the image policy. Next, we need to attach this policy to the switch on which we are going to do the ISSU. For that, click on the Devices tab. Here, find the switch where you want to do the ISSU. I am going to do the ISSU on a 9148T switch running 842C. Select it and then under Actions, click on Modify Policy. Under the Policy drop-down, select the policy that we just created. Do enable the checkbox to validate and stage the policy and click on Attach. You can click on the stage hyperlink to see the progress. We can see that the images are now getting copied to the MDS switch. Once the image is copied or the staging is done, this will turn into green. We can see that now it is in the validate state. You can click on the validate hyperlink to see the compatibility check being run. Once it is complete, you will see it turn green. You can see that the validate is complete. And now the switch is ready to be upgraded. So again, go to Actions and click on Upgrade. Here you can see the switch details, the compatibility check, and whether the install is non-disruptive or not. Click on Upgrade. Now clicking on the Upgrade hyperlink, you can see the Install All progress. You can now see that the upgrade is complete. Here you can see that the upgraded version 941A. You can also go to Manage and Fabrics. And here you can go to that individual fabric and to the Switches tab. And here you can see the switch is now running 941A. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you.